50 pieces.
Yeah, change your size.
How do you charge? Giving summer.
It's Shuki baby. Tap the blessing and subscribe.
You're here because you're a serious business person that is looking at starting or scaling your fashion business. Now, today, I'm taking you in a wholesale market where you can get serious, high quality, high end clothes. We are specifying on men's clothes, but this market also has women clothing. So, probably watching this video till the end will give you an idea of the kind of quality that you can get in this wholesale market that is found in Guangzhou. Your favorite brand on Amazon could be actually shopping here and getting everything here and just having suppliers customize and brand, and you don't know. So watch this video till the end. Maybe there is something that your business actually needs. If you're new here, thanks for watching. I'm hshukrat and I am a content creator based in China, Guangzhou. I also have a business that is registered in Guangzhou called hgchinaaccess. And what we do is we basically source on your behalf without adding a penny on the amount the supplier tells us. And also I take you around these wholesale markets, showing you different suppliers and the qualities that each market sells. And while doing that, I also get for you a contact of a supplier that I think has been more enthusiastic, has good customer care, and has good quality stuff, and I share it on our membership channel. Now you can access that supplier contact by subscribing to the level of supplier contact on my membership channel, and then you're able to get in touch with the supplier. And on top of that, you can always contact me and let me know, oh, I subscribe to your membership channel, can you please give me one or two advice about my next trip to China, and I'll gladly do that. Now I hope I see you on the other side of my YouTube channel, but also please, if you're here, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's very important for you to like, because my video gets pushed out to many other people. Now I'm not gonna keep you here for so long. Let's delve into the video. I hope you enjoy it.
Welcome to China. Access my.
Well, I'm someone that likes to grab my boyfriend's pants, and this can definitely pass for unisex. You can tell by the quality. It seems very comfortable. Am I marketing for this brand?
HG China 工厂遍布神州，质量标准严格，把关在手。客户需求，我们时刻守候，在 HG China 找到最好的朋友。HG China 供应商遍布九州，诚信经营，口碑赢得永久。一站式服务，让你无忧。在 HG China 找到最佳的源头，跟我们走，穿梭市场的洪流。
Oh, can you see this? Right? Now, let me tell you, when you're sourcing, when you're looking for good quality stuff, first of all, the weight of the product really matters. Good quality jackets are not light. It can look light, but it has some weight to it. Also, you need to pay attention to things like the stitching. How did they complete the stitching? For this specific supplier, the stitching is really good. It's giving class and aesthetic. Okay? I'm thinking this should be the supplier's contact I get to share with you guys. I don't know. I'm thinking, let me interact with the supplier. I see how they respond, and I'll be able to share that contact with you all. Yep, definitely sharing the supplier's contact. She speaks good English. They have both WhatsApp and WeChat. They have a big factory, and they can customize according to your needs. Remember, you can get her contact by joining my membership channel here on YouTube. 50 pieces,
Yes.
50 pieces.
Yes.
And you can send to US, Australia, Canada.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes. You just need to pay for the pole for yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
50 pieces, is it different sizes or?
15 pieces you can change your size. 20 small or 20 medium and 10 large. Yeah, you can decision.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Well, you've heard from the boss herself. You can actually make a bulky order if you need them to make something for your own brand. It has to be a big order, not 2 pieces. And if you need to just do wholesale, if you're just starting, you can also order 50 pieces per type. You can mix the colors, mix the sizes, but it has to be one type, 50 pieces. And you can get each piece, if you're looking at branding, they change the logo and everything. You can get each piece at around $85. I think that's fair because the quality here. When you join my membership channel, pay for the level where you can access the supplier contacts level. We have only two levels: one for those that just support the channel and just want us to grow, and the other for those that want to access supplier contacts. Oh, I like this. This is giving summer. It is giving spring. It is giving many seasons. I like how they are layering the clothes, and I would love my mom to have this on.
熙攘人群，脚步轻轻爬向琳琅货架藏着。
In my last video, I took you through a wholesale market that has linen clothes for women. And if you've not checked it out, please go right here and check it out now. But now I'm in a wholesale market that has high-end men clothes. And they also have linen. I'm so surprised. They also have pure cotton clothes.
Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn. With a vision of prosperity and hope, we invite you to be a part of this journey of growth. In this land of ancient wisdom and modern dreams, as for me, China is the key to brighter future. Let us join hands and build a world of harmony, where the spirit of cooperation shines brightly. Together we will create a legacy of glory. We let the
Listen, do not feel so stressed. You want to get things from China, but you're feeling so stressed. You don't know where to start from. You're stranded. You don't want to travel. You're so busy. You can't leave your business. I'm here for you. Just send me a message and we shall be able to source for you from factory outlets, from shops, from anywhere that you need without adding a penny on the amount the supplier tells us. That is our strength. You just have to pay us a commission and a base fee, and we are going to source for you like you came to China. So you can save time and money working with us, HG China Access. It can be me or my team members, but trust me, your business will expand.
Welcome to China, access market code. The new chapter is here. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it.
Whether you're scaling or just starting and you're on a low budget but you really want to get high quality stuff, what you do when you come to high-end markets, look for shops that have products on sale. Sometimes when a product is on sale, it means they do not have extra sizes for it. For example, here you can get 2 pieces at just 180. That means that each t-shirt is just 90 RMBs. So just in case you are someone that cannot afford to get the 50 pieces minimum order quantity requirement, you can always come to high-end markets and just pick 2 pieces or 1 piece per type of a product.
Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn. With a vision of prosperity and hope, we invite you to be.
Could your favorite sports brand be sourcing here? Because it's giving polo. I mean, it's giving golf. It's giving I made money. It's pension time.
熙攘人群，脚步轻轻爬向琳琅货架藏着未知的宝藏。穿过熙攘人群，目光追逐光芒，彩色标签指引方向。HG China， 奇妙世界正在前方，每个角落都有惊喜等你寻访。HG China， 奇妙世界正在前方，跟随旋律发现最好的工厂。HG China， 奇妙世界充满希望，漫步市场，寻找最棒的供应商。
here if you're just from the airport and you don't have clothes. I know a lot of you have made it a habit to not carry anything when you're coming to China. Now, if you're just from the airport or you just need some personal clothes, even shopping for your business, you can come here, drop your luggage around here on the service center, and then you go on with your shopping. They don't mind keeping it for you for some time. How cool is that?
穿过熙攘人群，脚步轻轻爬向琳琅货架，藏着未知的宝藏。穿过熙攘人群，目光追逐光芒，彩色标签指引方向。hgc China， 奇妙世界正在前方，每个角落都有惊喜等你寻访。hgc China， 奇妙世界正在前方，跟随旋律发现最好的工厂。hgc China， 奇妙世界充满希望，漫步市场，寻找最棒的供应商。Welcome to China, access my guide code. The new chapter is here. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it together. Holy together. Build it together. Future is bright. On the new chapter is here. Let's build it together. The future is bright. Let's build it together. The future is bright. Holy together. 穿过熙攘人群，脚步轻轻爬向琳琅货架，藏着未知的宝藏。穿过。
Sourcing for your business sometimes can feel scary, and I understand you when you don't know where to start, especially when you're just starting. It can feel scary, but trust me, it gets easier. You can also contact HG China Access and we do the job on your behalf. If you've watched till this point, thank you so much for being here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know which shop was your favorite. The code word is homemade. Leave it in the comment section, and I know that you followed the video throughout. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment. Every time you interact with my video, it gets pushed out to so many people, and that really helps us to grow the channel. I love you. See you in the next one, and please do not forget to join my membership channel.
Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn, with a vision of prosperity and